Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chibuzarubute, a professional hairstylist at Buzos Beauty Mark. Today we'll be learning how to style drawstring ponytail in 5 ways on natural hair.
So I want to show you how to style our shoes collection tiny curls detachable ponytail. As you can see, I have a natural hair, but that will not stop me from slaying my ponytails. So the first style I want to do is piggy tail. So I'll start by creating middle parts. They're all for firm grip. So the first thing you do is to use the first comb, attach it close to the bone, and then use the rubber and tighten it. Simple. And then you can now carefully roll this rubber around the hair. So here is another style, the front and the back pony. So as you can see, I've attached the one behind, so it's time to do this, just like I explained earlier. As a bone. Very common. I love this actually because it's easier. Now this is my detachable ponytail, and I'm using my milk detangler shoes collection too. You should get this. If you own any curly hair, you need this. I think we're good to go. And now let them attach, like I said earlier. Tighten the adjustable grip and then make sure you hide the rubber by rolling it around your hair. Guys, look at this. Easy. Time.
section below. Subscribe to our channel to see more of these videos and other hairstyling videos.